How to use Bayer Advanced Garden Multi-Insect Killer. To you, the yard may be a peaceful patchwork of emerald green grass, colorful blooming plants and perhaps a tidy vegetable patch, but to insects, it's an irresistible smorgasbord. With an estimated 91,000 species of insects in the United States, the feast can rapidly get out of hand. Insect infestations can disfigure and even kill ornamental plants, ruin vegetable production and make a lawn appear sickly and stunted. Bayer's Advanced Garden Power Force Multi-Insect Killer is formulated to control insect infestations in all parts of the yard. Active ingredients. Bayer Advanced Garden Power Force Multi-Insect Killer contains 34% cyfluthrin and 0.096% naphthalene. Cyfluthrin is highly toxic to honeybees, aquatic wildlife and beneficial insects. Naphthalene, which is commonly used to make mothballs, acts as a fumigant, combining with the cyfluthrin to form the insect-killing spray. Naphthalene is made from crude oil or coal tar. Because these chemicals can irritate the skin and cause health problems when inhaled or accidentally ingested, always wear protective gear when spraying with multi-insect killer. Long pants, a long-sleeved shirt, socks and shoes, heavy gloves, a hat and protective eyewear should provide adequate protection. Mixing the insecticide. Bayer Advanced Garden Multi-Insect Killer may be used on lawns, ornamental plants and even vegetables. For lawns, mix 3 tablespoons of insecticide in 1 gallon of water. For all other plants, mix 1 tablespoon of insecticide into 1 gallon of water. Mix or shake well to fully incorporate the pesticide with the water. Set dial-style hose and sprayers to deliver ½ ounce of pesticide in 1 gallon of water to treat lawns. Applying the spray. Set the nozzle on pump-type sprayers for a coarse spray and thoroughly coat the infested plants from a distance of about 1 foot. Spray until the foliage and new growth is wet, but not to the point of runoff. Be sure to spray the undersides of foliage to kill insects that may be hiding. For lawns, attach the sprayer to the garden hose and turn the selector to deliver a coarse spray. Turn the water on. Starting at the farthest corner of the lawn, turn the knob to begin spraying. Use a side-to-side motion to thoroughly spray the grass until it is wet so that the pesticide contacts the soil. Don't mow the grass for at least 1 day after treatment. Tips, warnings. This pesticide is toxic to fish, so don't apply directly to water or allow runoff to contaminate water sources. Don't use while bees are active in the area. Spraying on a windless day ensures the pesticide properly covers the target plants. For best results, treat plants while insects are young and vulnerable. Keep animals and children out of the area until the insecticide dries completely.